G'day, I'm John Torode, and here's a couple of my top tips to help you out over Easter. If you're worried about all your family coming over at Easter and the amount of work you've got to do, let me give you a little tip. Ask everybody to bring a plate. Us Aussies, what we do always when we invite friends around, they've got to bring something with them. If somebody like your auntie makes great cauliflower cheese, ask them to bring it with them. You don't have to do everything. You are able to relax as well at Easter time. What are you going to do with all those leftover Easter eggs? Well, I'll tell you what to do. Take an equal quantity of Easter eggs, an equal quantity of cream. Boil the cream, pour it over the top of those Easter eggs, instant chocolate sauce. Put that on top of ice cream and see what the kids do. Oh yeah. Some of my recipes for Easter call for lots of little bits and pieces, including honeycomb to go with my chocolate tart. Take the honeycomb, put it in little bags and give it to your friends for Easter. You don't have to give them chocolate. Remember, you can always get ahead. If you're gonna make pastry, make a double batch, cut it in half, put half in the freezer. Use half now, and the next time you need pastry, just bring it out the freezer, ready to go. Don't have to do everything yourself. You know what, there are shops out there. Hummus, yes, you can make it, but you can also buy it. Short crust pastry, yes, you can make it, but you can also buy it. Remember, don't put yourself under pressure. Cold hands are the secret to making sure pastry works. If your hands aren't cold enough, go outside and just place them on a brick wall and they'll go nice and cold before you touch the pastry. If you're not a fan of cold leftover lamb, my dad used to make us lamb fritters. Water, flour, some chopped onion, all mixed together with some chopped up lamb, fried in a fry pan. They are delicious. Many people like an espresso martini, not everybody has a cocktail shaker. If you take one of those coffee plungers, put all the ingredients inside it and pump it up and down like that, the perfect espresso martini. My delicious salted chocolate tart, you can actually use the filling and put it just in a tray and use it on top of ice cream. You don't have to put it in pastry if that's too much of a problem. Save yourself some time this Easter. Instead of doing a tray of roast potatoes, when you're going to roast your meat, just put loads of potatoes in the bottom of the tray first, put your meat across the top of it, put it in the oven, let all the juice from the meat go into the potatoes. You've got roast potatoes, you've got your meat, and you've even got your gravy all in one tray. So there you go, there's a couple of tips for Easter. If you want the whole lot, go to the app. And remember, exclusive content for just 99p for 6 months. Happy Easter to you all.